Okay, let's look at amphitheatre, anorak, and aqueduct. Amphitheatre. Noun, a kind of theatre where the seats above and around the stage. So imagine the stage like this, and the seats are all like this. Oops. Like that, yeah. So they go around, like that, around, like that, around, like that. Let's get one more. Get one more. And around, like that. So the stage looks up. Here's the stage, here's the people. Very good. And the audience are up and around us. An amphitheatre. We are going to the amphitheatre. Makes sense. It's a kind of theatre, you see. Theatre. 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 It's a kind of theatre. I guess a Latin or Greek word, amphitheatre. I'm not quite sure what amphi means in this context. It's amplify. I'm not sure. But amphitheatre. A kind of theatre with the seats above and around the stage. How cool is that? So anorak. Down, a waterproof jacket, often with a hood. An anorak. You're going into the mountains, the forests, the lakes, the hills, the countryside, and it's raining. Anorak, a waterproof jacket with a hood, often maybe just rubber or plastic, and a long poncho, just long gown, long just covers everything. Anorak, very good against the water. You need to wear an anorak when it rains. Yes, when it rains. When it rains, you need an anorak. Especially in the wilderness, especially in the hills. Ooh, definitely. An aqueduct, noun. A man-made channel where water flows across it. So imagine like this. Like that maybe. Imagine it goes like that, perhaps. And water just flows down it. And maybe there's pillars to hold it up. There we are. And water just flows from the aqueduct into the town, the village, and beyond. We built an aqueduct from the hills. So the hills are over here. The hills. There's an aqueduct right there. How cool is that? How cool is that? So amphitheatre, a stage. The audience are above and around the stage. Anorak, a waterproof jacket with a hood. Aqueduct, a man-made channel for water to flow from. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.